Welcome, junior directors. Have you ever had an amazing movie playing inside your head and just wished you could show it to someone? Well, today, you're going to learn how. We're diving into a very special director's trick, and it's called point of view. Right? You've got these incredible stories all pictured perfectly in your mind, but how do you get them out there for everyone else to see? How do you make your friends feel like they are right there in the middle of the action with you? That is the big challenge for every storyteller, and today, we're going to solve it together.
You know, every great director needs a toolkit to tell their story. And the good news is, you don't need a giant, fancy movie studio. You just need a couple of key tools to make your vision come to life. So you ready to open up the toolkit? Let's see what we've got inside.
Okay, first up, the most important tool in your entire kit is your camera. Now in writing, we call our camera the point of view. And the camera you choose, that decides exactly how your audience is going to see everything that happens in your story.
So, what exactly is point of view? It's actually super simple. It just answers one question. Who is telling the story? Is it a character who's right in the middle of everything that's happening? Or is it someone watching from the outside, like a narrator? This one little choice changes everything.
Let's look at our two main cameras. Okay, think of first-person point of view like a selfie camera. You're right inside the story, telling us what you see, what you feel. It feels super personal, right? Then you've got third person. That's more like a drone camera, flying high above the action, watching all the characters. This lets your audience see the whole big picture of what's going on.
So how can you tell which camera a director is using? Easy. You just have to look for the secret clue words. For that first-person selfie camera, you're going to find words like I, me, and my. And for the third-person drone camera, you'll spot words like he, she, and they. They're like little hints.
Let's see that selfie camera in action. Listen to this. I ran, and my little brother. Did you hear those clue words? The person telling the story is a character who's right there in the park. We are right there with them, seeing what they see.
Now, let's switch to the drone camera. See the difference? Instead of I, the story says Liam. Instead of my, it says his. We're not inside the character's head anymore. We're watching Liam from the outside. So remember, those clue words tell you exactly where the camera is.
Awesome job, directors! You've picked your camera. Now it's time for tool number 2 in our toolkit, special effects. In writing, our special effects are called sensory details. These are the words that help your audience see, hear, smell, touch, and even taste what's happening in your story.
Think of these as your magic special effects buttons. By describing how something looks, sounds, feels, smells, or tastes, you pull your audience right into the scene with you. You're not just telling them a story, you're making them live it.
All right, team, this is it. It's time to yell action. We're going to combine our camera, the first-person point of view, with our special effects, our sensory details, to film our big scene. The movie is called My Cozy Bedroom. Places, everyone. Let's roll.
Okay, let's break down this shot. First, do you see the clue words? My bedroom and I walk inside. That tells us we're using our first-person selfie camera. And the special effects? Bright blue walls that look like the summer sky? That helps us see the room. We can picture it already. And the scene continues. The clues my and I keep us in that selfie mode. And just look at these special effects. We've got words like very cozy, fluffy white, and colorful. These details use our senses of sight and touch to make the whole scene feel so real and comfortable.
Now, a great director knows a scene isn't just about what you see, it's also about what you hear. So here we get a quiet hum from the fan and loud cars outside. These sound effects really create a whole world of noise, and it makes the room feel like a real, living place. Now, how do we make the audience feel like they're in the room? With this sense of touch. The director uses words like soft, warm, and smooth. By describing how the carpet and the teddy bear feel, it's like we can almost reach out and touch them ourselves. Now that's the power of great special effects. And for the final touch, this sense of smell. Fresh, clean laundry and sweet strawberry candy. Can't you just imagine what that smells like? By adding these little details, the director has made this cozy bedroom a complete world that we can experience with all of our senses. And cut. That was a great take, everyone. And that's a wrap. See? You've now got the two most important tools in your director's kit. You've got your camera for point of view, and you've got your special effects for sensory details. You are officially ready to get out there and direct your own incredible stories.
Before you head out to your first movie set, just look at how easy it is to switch your camera. The first person, "I found my lost toy," becomes the third person, "He found his lost toy." The action is exactly the same, but by changing just one or two words, you change the entire point of view. It's that simple.
So the only question left is this. You have the camera, you have the special effects, and you are sitting in the director's chair. You are ready. What amazing story are you going to tell first? Go on, create something incredible.